AT&T has expanded its network to make high-speed internet access available to rural customers. Introducing AT&T Fixed Wireless Internet. Whether your neighbors are across the street, across the field, or across the county, with AT&T Fixed Wireless Internet, you'll get high-speed internet access of at least 10 megabits per second, so you can download, surf, and stream video with confidence. Here's how it works. We'll find the best place on your home or small business to install your wireless equipment. Installation is quick and easy. We'll set up an antenna that communicates with a nearby cell tower to ensure the strongest, most reliable signal. Our expert will help you connect your devices, and that's it. You're ready to go. To find out if AT&T Fixed Wireless Internet is available at your address, call 1-877-990-0041. That's 1-877-990-0041. Or visit us online at att.com/fixedwireless.